Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event, Africa Industrialization Day. What if Africa stopped exporting raw materials and started building products that change the world? What if our youth found good jobs in African industries instead of looking abroad? Industrialization is not just about machines, it's about jobs, pride and progress. Stay tuned as we uncover the real stories behind African industry, hear how it's changing lives, and show why regional value chains and partnerships are the keys to Africa's prosperity. Made in Africa, building the future together. Theme: accelerating Africa's industrialization through regional value chain and enhanced partnership. Africa Industrialization Day is celebrated every year on November 20th and was first established by the United Nations in 1989. Its goal is to draw attention to Africa's need for strong industrial growth that creates jobs, boosts economies, and helps reduce poverty across the continent. The day reminds us that Africa cannot rely on raw exports forever. Instead, the continent must invest in manufacturing, technology, and local industries that serve African people and global markets alike. Why this year's theme matters. This year's theme, accelerating Africa's industrialization through regional value chain and enhanced partnership, focuses on working together across borders. When African countries connect industries such as agriculture, textile, mining and tech, they can trade more, grow faster and build stronger economies. No country can industrialize alone. Regional value chains allow materials made in one country to be processed, assembled and sold in others, creating millions of jobs and building unity through shared progress. With stronger partnerships between governments, private sectors and development agencies, Africa can become a global hub for production, creativity and entrepreneurship. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Musa from Tanzania found purpose when a textile factory opened in his region. Before I had no job. Now I help produce clothes using local cotton from nearby farms. I earn enough to support my family. I've learned new skills. I feel proud to wear and export clothes that are made right here in Africa. Ejiro, a soap maker in Nigeria. I used to sell only locally. Now I export across West Africa thanks to a regional trade network. My business has grown and so has my team. My dream is growing and I didn't have to leave Africa to do it. Thanking the unsung heroes. We salute the workers, entrepreneurs, trainers, and community leaders behind Africa's industrial progress. You are the quiet builders of jobs, dignity, and hope. A call to action. To anyone still watching from the sidelines, now is the time to join in. Whether you're a student, business owner, or local leader, Africa's future needs your ideas and your energy. Together we can build a self-reliant, thriving continent. Happy International Africa Industrialization Day. Let's build together, trade together and grow together, because the future of Africa is being made by Africans, for Africans. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the workers, entrepreneurs, trainers and community leaders behind Africa's industrial progress. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today, also today, 20th of November, World Philosophy Day, World Children's Day, 21st November, World Television Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.